Hey guys, have you ever wanted to learn how to draw, but you don't have time for that research? Well, you're in luck. Welcome to Beginner's Luck, the show where a beginner tries her luck at learning a new skill. I'm Tyra here at Splitting Image, and this week, I'm going to be learning how to draw. But before we jump in, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram and Facebook at Creator Source Studios. Welcome to the first episode of Beginner's Luck. Now this time I knew I was going to do some type of visual art because, honestly I was a theater kid and I just never really got good at it. So I set out to do some research about what kind of art I wanted to do. Little did I know there are so many kinds of art. Body art, ceramics, jewelry art, junk art, there's landscape art, religious art. All types of things that I did not want to do. So I decided that I was going to stick to the status quo and just go with some good old drawing. Turns out drawing is more intricate than I gave it credit for. There's style, method, medium. There are a lot of things that go under all of those things. And I am overwhelmed. I almost kind of miss theater.
Boy, if you don't get...
Never mind. Here's the plan. I have 3 separate challenges. So what I'll do, I'll start with a beginner mode, something very simple, a thing that I know that I can draw. Next, we'll have an intermediate mode. Anything like figure drawing or landscape drawing that I'm not sure if I can do, but I love a good challenge. Side note, I'll also be linking the videos to everything mentioned here or the tutorials that I'm following, so if you want to follow along at home, you can do that. The next challenge is a little bit more advanced. I'm not expecting to do it right the first time, so I'm going to consider this one a stretch. It's something that I'm going to try to do just to stretch that muscle for drawing and see if I can do it. I did a fair amount of research about different tutorials I could follow. That way I don't have to completely freehand this, which that wasn't going to happen. So I stumbled upon a few good tutorials that I really wanted to do. So for the beginner mode, I really like the one that was called A La Carte Arts, How to Draw a Cartoon Body. Now in this video, she teaches you how to draw a cartoon of yourself. And I'm already pretty animated, so haha. Well, she starts with a circle and a rectangle which she divides into 2 squares and uses that figure to create like a stick body. I followed along pretty well with that part. The next part's a little bit trickier. So in the next part, she basically creates an arm by just adding lines around the stick arm as if that was the bone. She's creating the muscle and fat. She goes in and she creates hands, arms, and feet. So you now have a body. Then she adds detail. She has her clothes now and her hair. I basically just followed along with that, doing my box braids, my outfit that I was wearing that day. I had on some shorts and a little polo. And yeah, cartoon Tyra. That turned out pretty well. So I added a little bit of color because I thought I'd take it to the next level. Just adding the color of my shorts, melanating myself. And I kind of went through after that and added extra detail, like I added lip gloss. Then I kind of went through and added a little bit of detail to my eyes. And then I redefined my braids because I wasn't really feeling them. And just like that, I've completed the beginner mode challenge. Here's a side-by-side from mine and Art A La Carte's. Make sure to watch part 2 for intermediate mode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below telling me what you want to see me do next. Subscribe, and our challenge of the day today is to draw something, paint something, or even color something. Once again, my name is Tyra and you're watching Splitting Image.